Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I'm going to teach you how to install Discord server on your PC or laptop. So let's start. Open Google Chrome or any browser. Then write Discord and click search button. Click on first website, which is www.discord.com. So our website got open. Discord server is a place where you can make groups and talk with people. You can open Discord in browser also. Just click this button and enter your username. To download Discord, click download for Windows button. It will start downloading it. After downloading, open folder and double click on setup. So it started installing. Currently it is checking updates and downloading it. After installing updates, it will automatically start. Finally, our Discord is installed successfully. Now you can log in through QR code from mobile phone. Else, you can log in through email or phone number. If you don't have Discord account, then click register button. It will pop up the registration form. Enter your details and click continue button. It will create account in Discord. I hope this video will help you to install Discord server on computer. If you like this video, click subscribe button for latest updates. Thank you.